The 2025 Mazda CX-90 boasts a bold and sophisticated design that stands out in its class. Presented by Berge Mazda, the sleek body lines, aggressive front grille, and available 21-inch alloy wheels give it a refined yet dynamic presence. LED headlights and taillights along with chrome accents add a touch of elegance to the exterior, making it both stylish and functional. Under the hood, the CX-90 offers multiple powertrain options, including a turbocharged inline-six engine that delivers a smooth and powerful performance. Paired with an 8-speed automatic transmission and available all-wheel drive, it provides a responsive and engaging driving experience. Enhanced suspension tuning ensures the vehicle handles curves with confidence, while the Sport mode offers an even more exhilarating ride. The spacious back seats are designed with comfort in mind, providing ample legroom and headroom for passengers. Available captain's chairs offer a luxurious experience, complete with a center console for additional storage. Tri-zone climate control allows backseat passengers to adjust their own temperature settings, ensuring a comfortable ride for everyone. The interior of the CX-90 is crafted with premium materials like Napa leather, genuine wood trim, and suede accents, creating a luxurious cabin environment. The driver-centric layout ensures easy access to controls, and the panoramic sunroof brings an open and airy feel to the space. Ambient lighting and power-adjustable seating further enhance the comfort and sophistication of the interior. Convenience features such as a hands-free power liftgate, keyless entry, and remote start make daily tasks effortless. The spacious cargo area, with fold-flat rear seats, offers flexibility for various storage needs, making the CX-90 a versatile option for families and adventurers alike. Mazda prioritizes safety with an array of advanced features, including standard adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and automatic emergency braking. Available features like a 360-degree camera, traffic jam assist, and blind spot monitoring add extra layers of protection, making every drive more secure and less stressful. The 2025 CX-90 is equipped with Mazda's latest infotainment system, featuring a 12.3-inch center display with intuitive controls. Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and an available premium Bose sound system provide a connected and immersive experience. The vehicle also offers multiple USB-C ports and a wireless charging pad to keep devices powered up on the go. The 2025 Mazda CX-90 is a compelling choice for those seeking a stylish, high-performing SUV that doesn't compromise on comfort or technology. With its elegant design, powerful performance, and a suite of advanced features, the CX-90 sets a new standard in the midsize SUV segment, catering to drivers who appreciate both luxury and practicality. You can view our selection at bergemazda.com, give us a call at 480-498-5614, or visit our showroom today.